Okay, so today's lesson is going to be a quick review of writing equations and inequalities. Okay, the first thing that I always think of when I think about writing equations and inequalities with Algebra 1 students is that students usually forget one, what the difference is between an equation and an inequality, and two, what are some of the main words that you need to use when you're taking a number sentence and turning it into a written form, and also vice versa of that when you're taking the written form and putting it into a number sense. Okay, so what we need to do first is we need to know the difference, obviously, between writing an equation and an inequality. All right, an equation, all right, is obviously going to be something that has an equal sign to it. Okay, so let's say we had 2x plus 8 equals 10. Okay, that would be writing an equation. All right, an inequality would be similar, but instead of having an equal to symbol, we would have a greater than, less than, or equal to symbol. Okay, so we could do the same thing. 2x plus 10, let's say, is greater than or equal to 10. All right, so this would be my equation, okay? This would be my inequality. So now we get to the hard part, all right? How do we take this from this, okay, equation and write it as a sentence, okay? Because that's what we're going to work on today, is making sure we can do that. One thing that I want you guys to think of is what are some of the main operations that you see in this problem, okay? What is the representation, or what is happening right now between the 2 and the x? Okay, it's multiplication. So what are some of the words we could use for that relationship? We could use times, okay? We could use twice, okay? And in some cases, we could use double, okay? Because if you double the number 4 here, it's going to be 8. If you double the number 8 here, it's going to be 16. If you double the number 10 here, it'll be 20. So all these words could represent this operation, okay? The next symbol we have, okay, is the addition symbol, okay? We all know that we could use the word add. We could use the word more than, okay? Just two examples of, okay, we could use, what's the other word we could use? We could use plus, okay? Equals, obviously, equals, all right? So there you go. There is an example of how you would do this, all right? When you go over to here, all right, the same words, times, twice, double, add, more than, plus, equal to, okay, but right here, it's going to be greater than or equal to is going to come here, all right, because that symbol obviously is different than this, okay? What you have to do now, and what we're going to do during the second part of this lesson, is we are going to use these words, okay, and these words, and we are going to write a sentence that represents this. That sentence could be related to real life, okay, or that sentence could just be related to math. So that's what we're going to do the second part. But what I want you guys to do right now is to stop the video, and I want you to go back, and I want you to think of all the different words that you could use that would be in number sentences, such as what are the different words you could use to express divide? What are some of those? Quotient would be one. What are some of the different words you can use to express subtract? Okay, minus would be one. Okay, once again, multiplication. What are some of the words that can be used for multiplication? And what are some of the words that can be used for addition? Okay, this is your homework assignment tonight. All right, your assignment is to go online and find resources that will help you use what words can be used for the word divide in a mathematical equation. Okay, looking forward to hearing some of your answers tomorrow. Thanks for your time.